What's going down, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a self-cut video. It's not going to be a tutorial because when you watch the video, you're going to be like, that's it. We're just doing a ball taper, a lineup, and then we're going to trim down the sides of my mohawk. So, speaking of a mohawk, I haven't cut my hair in like a year. Coming up on a year, so you guys will see the hair growth. I'm rocking like an Odell Beckham mohawk type of look. Super simple to do, but my hair is pretty long right now, so.
Like, oh, you must have forgot it was me. Used to be gullible, I'm starting to see. Life isn't anything I thought it would be. Seems like my closest kinfolk often got the problems with me. Now these bitches, I mean these women, they acting different. They look the same, but they actually keep on lacking difference. Done lost my brains and my marbles, and these blunts and these bottles by being blunt with these models. Been going hard for tomorrow because I surely know what follows. If I stick to the blueprint, then I can scan all these barcodes. And all this with the God flow. Run our test with the pesos, but bitch, I ball like I'm Rondo. But they ain't playing, I know that these bitches thirsty. Probably would set a nigga up, they know that they can't hurt me. I'm getting triple overtime, look at the way we working. Been feeling like Drizzy Drake, I just had to do it with a purpose. Now don't flocking to me. Remember when you didn't do too much talking to me. Talking to me. It's crazy. And now you got the nerve to walk up to me, acting like this was the nigga that you thought I would be. Now fuck you bitches, you provoked this, you done got me started. Y'all done hyping off them niggas who ain't really got it. It's like when the skill gets tested, God comes into my body. And these bitches probably wanna see somebody stop me, but I ain't stopping, and you gotta go if you ain't really rocking. My heart colder than the Rockies on the rocks with a couple of ice cubes. Are you in shock yet? My imagery will paint the vivid material objects. Can't speak on it too much if I ain't got it. I got these leeches looking at me like I got it. At first she wasn't speaking, now she's hoping she's a topic. Black bitch with a different color wig like Dennis Rodman. She changed when she peeped my Levi's, upgraded to Robbins. Leave me to possessive women with them money problems. If I don't make it, then this verse right here gon' be forgotten. And I go back to women who was there before the dollars. Man, who was there before them dollars? And if you wasn't there before them dollars, then you can't make it to see tomorrow. I beat the path and told my realest niggas they could follow. Man, who was there before them dollars? And if you wasn't there before them dollars, then no, you can't make it to see tomorrow. I beat the path and told my realest niggas they could follow. No flocking. Girl, get from around me. Girl, get from around me.
Nah, I ain't fucking with them no more in Philly. A lot of these motherfuckers wasn't even around. Niggas really down, so feel me. It is what it is. No remorse, no love, you feel me? None of that. Go hard for everybody who fuck with me. You know what I mean? Who can't fuck with me. A lot of niggas ain't peep this vision, but fuck them niggas. Fuck them bitches too. You feel me?
Now don't flocking to me. Remember when you didn't do too much talking to me. And now you got the nerve to walk up to me, acting like this was the nigga that you thought I would be. That you thought I would be. That you thought I would be.
Yeah, too much, yeah, too much, yeah, too many drugs, sober up, I'm growing up, I'm growing young, I gave it up, I needed love, too much, yeah, too much, yeah, too many drugs, too many questions, that's why I question, that ain't a question, too much, yeah, too much, yeah, if I'm a liar, you're a liar. Saying things we never know, never know, never know. What's the truth? I don't know. If I'm a coward for my expressions, if life's a blessing, then why we go? Why my homie die? Why my grandma go? Let me know, let me know. Time flies, lifelines, quiet mind, loud soul. All I know is all I know. So let me know, let me know. Touch the sky, young boy touch the sky. You gon' make it out. Live your life, let Jesus. I got crucified, ay, I got criticized by my own people. What do I believe in? Now another homie on a t-shirt. Pray so much I better knees hurt. Father never let me see dirt. Father never let me see work. Got a pad that made the fiends lurk. Got a pad that made the fiends lurk. I just hope that all my dreams work. Tell my dad I'll never need a work.
Too much on my plate might be exhausting, but I promise you to God I spent some time to lift you up. I had some issues with my life, I know it cost you. I tell the truth when you can't take it, I ain't got no other options. And if I'm conflicted, then why you want me? Good for nothing, losing focus, okay. Good intentions, raw emotion. I cannot force this, I cannot force this.
Yeah, too much, yeah, too much, yeah. Too many drugs, sober up, I'm growing up, I'm growing young. I gave it up, I needed love. Too much, yeah, too much, yeah. Too many drugs, too many questions. That why I question, that ain't a question. Too much, yeah, too much, yeah.
So y'all thought the video was over? Y'all thought I was done talking to y'all? Shit. Before the video ends, I need you guys' help down in the comments. I'm thinking of dyeing my hair, but I just don't know what color to pick. So I can go like an Odell Beckham blonde route. I can go like a dark cherry maroon look. I can go white, pink, purple, whatever you guys are feeling on my hair after you've seen how much growth it is, the curls, the style in which I'm rocking right now. Whatever color you think I should dye my hair, maybe you think I should keep the black, just let me know down in the comments. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys when I see you.